So this is the ESR MagSafe HaloLock Hybrid Case. Now this one is clear. You can get some other colors. They're compatible with iPhone 14 and 13. You can see some of the features. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. So you can see nicely packaged. You can scan if you need more info on the product. Nice and clear. Feels like a decent thickness, so it's going to definitely protect if you do drop your phone. Obviously, if you drop it face down, then it still could potentially crack the screen, but it has that MagSafe feature on there which will allow you to fit this to any of those MagSafe products. So here I have the iPhone 14. So now very easy obviously to fit it to the case, just like any of the other cases. Just push it on and it's nice and solid, fits super snug. Looks kind of cool with that MagSafe ring around the logo, and you've got some decent protection here around your lenses, which is great, and easy to get to the buttons. And there's actually plenty of movement when I'm clicking down, as opposed to other cases where when you press it, it doesn't feel as responsive. This feels like you don't even have a case on it, which is really great. And you've got a decent lip as well, just to protect your front screen. So very happy with it. Looks great, feels like quality, and super handy now to use with all those other MagSafe accessories.